Hello everyone, welcome to Easy Math. In this video, we'll do class 8 rational numbers exercise 1.2 sums 9 and 10. And the question number 9 is simplify. It is the simplification of rational numbers which involves all the four operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So let us read the question. 11 by 8 into minus 6 by 33 plus 1 by 3 plus 3 by 5 divided by 9 by 20 in the second bracket minus 4 by 7 into minus 7 by 5. Let us see, I have written the question again, the same thing, and we have more than, we have all the four operations: multiplication, addition, subtraction, division, everything is there. So this we have studied already. That is, whenever you have more than two operations, we are using the rule called BIDMAS. B for brackets, I for indices. Indices means which is powers, which will be using in the later topics. Now we are dealing with brackets, D for division, M for multiplication, A for addition and S for subtraction. This is the order we have to follow the sum. So first is within the brackets. Here all the three brackets, the first bracket is separate, second bracket is separate and third bracket. So we can do all three brackets at a time. And if you see the second one, we have two brackets, one inside the other. In such cases, we have to do the innermost bracket first. Whichever is inside, that bracket has to be done first. So what do we have in the inside brackets? 3 by 5 divided by 9 by 20. This division should be done first, even if it is addition also. Addition, subtraction, any operation, the operation within the brackets should be done first. And when there are two brackets, we are supposed to do the innermost bracket. So we'll write the rest of the things as it is. We'll write the sum once again, so that when you're cancelling, we can write the numbers and the question can be clear. So 11 by 8 into minus 6 by 33 plus 1 by 3 plus innermost bracket 3 by 5. And what to do for division? Yes, we are dividing 3 by 5 divided by 9 by 20. Innermost bracket we are doing first. So the first rational number as it is, change division into multiplication and write the reciprocal of the second rational number. 9 by 20 becomes 20 by 9. This is the only one thing we are doing in the first step. Please do only one simplification in one step to avoid confusion. So what did we do in the first step? We have just changed. We are supposed to do the innermost bracket first, in the second one, then the second bracket. That is the innermost, the bracket which is inside. What operation? Division. How do we divide? Write the first rational number as it is. Change division into multiplication. 9 by 20 becomes 20 by 9. Now this is multiplication. We'll do this bracket, second bracket and third bracket. Since all are separated, we can do it at a time. Equal to. So look at the first one. What do you have inside the first bracket? 11 by 8 into minus 6 by 33. It is multiplication of two rational numbers. So how to multiply? Numerator and denominator. If they have a common factor, we have to cancel. Check 11 and 8. One is even, one is odd. They don't have a common factor. 6 and 33. Yes, both come in three tables. Still three tables. 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3. Now you see, 2 and 8, both are even numbers. They can be cancelled by 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8. 11 and 11, yes, by 11 tables. 11 1s are 11 and 11 1s are 11. Now coming to the second brackets. Now, what is it? Can we do it 1 by 3? We cannot do anything because we are supposed to do the innermost bracket, which is inside 3 by 5 into 20 by 9. Just check whether anything can be cancelled in this within the innermost bracket. Yes, 3 and 9 by 3 tables. 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9. Then 5 and 20. 5 1s are 5, 5 4s are 20. Next in this, yes, 7 and 7 by 7 tables. 7 1s are 7, 7 1s are 7. 4 and 5, they don't have a common factor. Now we'll multiply. First signs, plus into minus. Two different signs, minus. Numerator we have 1 and 1. 1 1s are 1 by 4 1s are 1. So two rational numbers we have simplified into one rational number, so the bracket can be removed. Now plus as it is. Can we remove the bracket here? No, because we have done only the innermost bracket. Even the outer bracket is there. So 1 by 3 as it is, plus as it is, what it becomes inside the bracket? After cancelling everything, on the numerator we have 1 and 4 and both are positive. So 1 into 4 is 4 and 1 into 3 is 3. So it has simplified such a big, all three rational numbers and two operations have become one operation with two rational numbers. Minus, what do we have here? 4 plus, and here 4 is plus, 7 is minus. Plus into minus is minus. Numerator 4 ones are 4 by 5 ones are 5. And here we are having two negative signs together. So whenever you get two negative signs, to make it clear, put a bracket. And the next step, we will remove this bracket. How to remove it? Bracket means into. We have to multiply minus into minus. Multiply the two signs so that the bracket can be removed. Now here first one is minus 1 by 4 plus, and what is this within the bracket? 1 by 3 plus 4 by 3. It is so simple because the denominators are same. For adding and subtracting, we should have a common denominator. Already we have a common denominator. So what this is reduced here, one step is reduced. That is finding LCM is not necessary because already we have a common denominator. So for both the 3's 1, 3. Add only the numerators. What is 1 plus 4 is 5. Now this bracket can be removed because we have completed this operation. Now this bracket also can be removed. How? By multiplying minus into minus. When you multiply two same signs, it is plus 4 by 5. Now what it is? What operation? We have only addition. How to add three rational numbers? Same thing. The denominators must be same. But here we are having different denominators. So we need to find LCM. LCM for what? Denominators 4, 3, 5. 4, 3 and 5. Do they have a common factor? 4, 3, 5, 3 and 5 are prime numbers and 4 is even number. Even 4 is divisible by 2, but 3 and 5 are not divisible by 2. So they don't have a common factor. What to do? How to find LCM now? Yes, just multiply all the three numbers. 4 3s are 12 and this 12 into 5. 12 5s are 60. So our least common multiple is 60. Now what do we do next step? Yes, right, the common denominator is 60. Okay. Now 4, 3, 5 we have changed into 60. So we have to change the numerators also accordingly. Whatever change you have made in the denominator, same changes have to be made on the numerator also. So first 4 into what is 60? We know already. Look at the LCM itself. 4. We want 4 into what gives you 60. So other than 4, what do you have? 3 5s are 15. So 4 into these two, multiplication of these two numbers gives 60. So 3 5s are 15. Therefore 4 into 15 is 60. Means multiply numerator also by 15. This minus sign. 15 ones are 15. Then put this plus as it is. 3 into what is 60? What is it? This 3. Other than this 3, what are the next two numbers? 4 and 5. 3 is here. So other than 3, what are the other numbers? 4 and 5. And 4 5s are 20. So 3 into 20 gives 60. So when the denominator is multiplied by 20, and we've written here, multiply numerator also by 20. 5 into 20, how to multiply? Multiply 5 and 2. 5 2s are 10, then 1 0. Plus 5 into what is 60? Other than 5. Leave out 5. Then what else is there? 4 3s are 12. So 5 into 12 gives 50. So multiply, denominator is multiplied by 12. Multiply numerator also by 12. 4 12s are 48. Now look at the numerator. We have one negative number, two positive numbers. How to simplify this? When you have positive and negative numbers together, add all the positive numbers. 100 plus 48. Add the positive numbers first. Then how much you are getting? 100 plus 48, 148. Then add all the negative numbers. There is only one negative number. There is no second number to add. So just minus 15. There is only one negative number. Write as it is, divided by 60. Now what to do? 148 minus 15, you subtract. Subtract horizontally. 8 minus 5 is 3. 4 minus 1 is 3 and 1 divided by 60. Now can it be cancelled? Do they have a common factor? They don't have a common factor to cancel. So what do? Let us divide because it is improper fraction. Numerator is greater than the denominator. So we'll convert into mixed fraction. 133 divided by 60. Can I divide 1 by 60? It's not possible. 0. 13 by 60, not possible. 133 if you take 60 ones are 60, and if you multiply 60 into 2, 2 6 are 12, 110, and 120 is very close to 133. So it goes 2 times is 120. Subtract 3 minus 0 is 3. 3 minus 2 is 1. So which is your whole number here? The quotient is the whole number and the remainder on the numerator and by the same denominator. So this is the simplification of the sum. This such a big simplification is given. So first we'll do brackets one by one you take, because all three brackets are separated. All three can be done at a time. So first is multiplication, then second innermost bracket first. In that division changes to multiplication, write the reciprocal of the second fraction, and the third one we've written as it is. Then multiplication, cancel numerator denominator with a common factor. Here we have done the innermost bracket, multiplication, we cancel, and then multiply numerators and denominators, and minus of, here plus into minus is minus. So in the next step, we simplify this bracket now. Second bracket still has to be simplified. So 1 4s are 4, and for both the 3, 1 plus 4 is 5, and both the 3 is 1 3, and minus into minus is plus. Since the denominators are different, you take LCM and simplify, we get the answer. Now question number 2 we'll see. It is 4 by 3 divided by 8 by minus 7 minus 3 by 4 into 4 by 3 plus 4 by 3 into minus 1 by 4. So let us do the first bracket. It is division. So what is the rule for division? 4 by 3. Change division into multiplication. Write the reciprocal of the second rational number. And before that there is negative sign in the denominator. What do we do if there is negative sign? We write it on the numerator. Now what is the reciprocal? 8 by 7 becomes 7 by 8. This is the rule of division. So bracket is not yet over. Put the bracket. Change division into multiplication and write the reciprocal of the second rational number. Minus, this is 3 by 4. We'll write as it is. We'll cancel in the next step. Here nothing to simplify. Write as it is down. Plus here 4 by 3 into, this bracket it has got nothing to do because it's only multiplication. If suppose if it is plus or minus, we will multiply both the signs. Because it is into, it has got nothing to do with the sign. Just we write as it is as minus 1 by 4. We can just take out the bracket and put that minus sign with the numerator. Now we'll cancel 1 by 1. Here 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. Then plus into minus minus, 7 ones are 7, by 3 twos are 6. Minus 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3. 4 ones are 4, 4 ones are 4. So what do you get? Numerator 1 into 1, denominator also 1 into 1. Then plus here, 4 ones are 4, 4 ones are 4. So what is there? Plus into here, plus this is minus. Plus into minus, minus 1 ones are 1, by 3 ones are 3. Here we need a bracket to differentiate the signs plus and minus. And here we need one more step to remove the bracket. Write the other numbers as it is. Here plus into minus, to multiply two different signs, minus 1 by 3. Again LCM of 6, 1 and 3. What is the LCM of 6, 1 and 3? We can divide 6 and 3 by 3 tables. 3 twos are 6. We cannot divide 1 by 3. Write 1 as it is and 1 threes are 3. Now when you multiply everything, leave out 1. Multiply the other numbers, it is 6. So LCM is 6. Now what do we do? Your LCM is 6. And 6 into what gives 6? 1. So multiply 7 also by 1 minus 7. 1 into what is 6? 1 into 6 is 6. Multiply numerator also by 1 minus 3 into 2 is 6. So because the numbers are small, it is very easy to find. 3 twos are 6. So multiply numerator also by 2. 1 twos are 2. Now what do you get here? All three numbers are negative. All the three numbers are here. We have one negative sign. It has become negative. It also minus second bracket. So that has become negative. And here this answer is plus into minus, minus. So third number is also negative. All are negative. What do we do? When the signs are same, add and put the common sign. So 7 plus 6, 13. 13 plus 2, 15. And the common sign is minus 15 by 6. Here this can be cancelled again. By what tables can we cancel? 15 and 6 both are divisible by 3 tables. So 3 5s are 15. 3 2s are 6. So we get minus 5 by 2, which is again what number? Numerator is greater. So we can convert into mixed if you want. So divide, how to convert into mixed? Numerator divided by denominator. 2 2s are 4. Remainder 1. So what is the whole number? Is 2, and on the numerator is that this denominator, we have to the numerator and the same denominator. Since it is negative, even this is negative. Minus 2, 1 by 2. So first change division into multiplication. Write the reciprocal second number. Minus, this we have written as it is. Here, only here see, plus into minus we will be multiplying. When it comes like this, plus into minus we have to multiply. But here multiplying by a negative integer. So no need to multiply this into and minus. We cannot multiply. First of all, it is multiplied 4 by 3 multiplied by a negative number. So 4 by 3 into this minus 1 by 4. Even if you remove the bracket, there will not be any change. Now we are cancelling the common factor in all the three brackets. After that, multiply both the numerators, multiply both the denominators and write them. We get minus 7 by 6 minus 1 by 1 plus minus 1 by 3. Next, 6, 1, 3, they are different denominators. So for addition and subtraction, we need LCM. So we are finding LCM for 6, 1 and 3. Then take LCM is 6. When you simplify, we are getting minus 7, minus 6, minus 2. All are negative. Add and put the common sign. And we are getting a, improper fraction, convert into mixed. So minus 2, 1 by 2 is the answer. Okay, thank you for watching. We'll see the other sums in the next video. Thank you.